Want to know what to expect in the Bay Area real estate market in 2022? I mean, it seems like a mixed bag, and if you're on the fence about what to do, you need to hear the dominating trends of 2022. Welcome to Keeping It Real Estate. I'm your host, Milana, and I'm here to share my 20 years of experience and expertise with you. I try to be specific on my Keeping It Real Estate topics, but so many have reached out about what's going to happen in 2022. So this week, that's what we're doing. 2021 real estate market was like a high-speed roller coaster, rides, twists, turns, and loops. And while the wild ride isn't over just yet, sellers still have the clear advantage going into 2022. In fact, the market shows continued demand for more inventory, bigger living spaces, and secondary homes such as vacation rentals. So sellers, buyers, and investors, here are the trends that are shaping 2022 real estate market. Number one, housing affordability will be a mixed bag as home prices and mortgage rates will go up. We've already seen mortgage rates on the rise, and we will continue to see that throughout this year. On the bright side, with labor shortages and an economy expected to get better, it should propel income growth, which can increase buying power. So it's a case of good news, bad news. Number two, the outlook for buyers may improve, but it remains a seller's market as low inventory continues. Think about it, sellers. Interest rates are climbing and the market is short on inventory. If you're thinking about selling any time in the next year, make sure to consider your timing strategy to yield you the highest possible price. Don't wait until it's convenient for you. Make this a smart financial decision. For home buyers, pay attention to sales price, not the list prices, and buckle up for another year of multiple offers over asking for a home you love. Consider homes that have been on the market more than 21 days. People often think there's something wrong with it, but there's many times hidden gems and opportunities out there. So go look for them. Number three, home buyers are scooping second homes before primary residence. The reason? The workplace is changing. Most people are still remote or have transitioned to working remotely part-time, which means many don't need to stay in big cities full-time and are looking for affordable destinations that offer more space within driving distance of their potential workplace. In addition to that, I am seeing Generation Z and millennial buyers who want to own part-time investment properties before they own where they live so that they could potentially build equity and wealth. So they're more keen on building wealth than buying a home. And the fourth big trend, demand for more space inside and outside is one of the biggest reasons many sellers are moving. Sprawling suburban areas have become the favored over dense urban areas. Suburban areas offer bigger homes and bigger yards. And in fact, according to Realtor.com, the viewers of suburban home listings went up 42%. So what does all this mean for you if you're a seller? Now is the time to sell if you're considering selling in the next couple years before interest rates make a dent in the market, before inventory rises to meet the demand, and before workplace trends switch gears. Be strategic in your move. So book a no obligation consultation with me to discuss a customized timing, marketing, and pricing strategy for your property. Now, what does this mean for you as buyers? In this fast-paced market, be ready to invest time. Yes, time, your time into the home buying process. Be ready to make compromises and try to follow the 80-20 rule. My 80-20 rule is if the home has 80% of what you want, you should make an offer. Be open to cosmetic renovations, adding space in the future, or open to using flexible multi-use purposes in the space that you can find. Buyers, who you work with matters. Winning a home doesn't have to be like throwing darts today. With proper planning, strategy, and direction, you can be a winner faster than you think. Call me to discuss. In making some of the largest financial decisions you'll ever make, I hope this information was helpful. Please comment, like, share, and tag anyone that needs to hear it. I'll see you next week.